I'd like to introduce you to Daken post-hole diggers. Post-hole diggers are built with years of experience in design to deliver a strong functional product. In this particular range we have two models, a Model 503 with a 50 horsepower gearbox and a Model 753 with a 75 horsepower gearbox. Both have A-frames and jibs that are made from RHS steel that are hot dip galvanised finish. The digger is designed with plenty of adjustment to suit most Category 1 and 2 tractors to ensure that you can dig a hole with a maximum depth up to about 4 feet. Add a Daken heavy duty auger and you have a package to suit most applications. Before operating your digger, it's a good idea to do a few checks. Make sure your sway bars are tight and firm to prevent the digger from rocking. Check your pinch points, where the A-frame and the PTO shaft may come in contact, and back at the mounting on the tractor. Make sure the pins are in place. If you've got a cab tractor, it's a good idea to check the back window is not going to foul on the digger when lifting. At this stage, you should have already checked the oil level in your gearbox and the operation of the PTO shaft. For further information on this, refer back to the assembly video on these diggers. Always work smart and safely. Keep bystanders away, check for underground utilities, and always keep covers in place. When you're ready to start digging and you've selected your position, put the tip of the auger on the ground, and you may need to back the tractor back just a bit to ensure that the auger is vertical. Engage the PTO and run it at just over idle speed. As the auger starts to go down, every now and then lift the linkage to help clear the hole and remove the spoil. The more spoil you remove, the less spade work you'll have to do at the end of the day. Daken heavy-duty post-hole digger augers are constructed with a heavy main shaft and 6mm thick flighting. The auger head is double cut with easily replaceable teeth. If you find that your auger is not penetrating into the ground, it's probably because the teeth need replacing. It's very easy to do and requires minimal tools.